Do you know how to program and now you want to learn how to program electronics? Well, then this is the course for you. In this fantastic beginner's course, you will learn all about how to program Arduino. You will learn all about the basics of electronics, such as resistors, capacitors, voltage regulators, pull-down resistors, pull-up resistors, and the list goes on. In this course, we also make a whack-a-mole game. You know the game where you hit moles with a stick of some kind and then the points go up? We'll be making one of those. But don't worry, we're doing all of this in an electronics simulator, so you won't have to go out and buy the parts. However, if you did want to buy the parts and you followed this course, you would have the exact same result, as the simulations are accurate to real life. Unlike other courses, this course also teaches you how to read and write electronic schematics. We then convert those schematics to a PCB or printed circuit board. You can then send this to a manufacturer and have your circuit board actually printed out for you and sent to you in the mail. This course is great for beginners, and upon completing this course, you will understand the fundamentals of programming firmware, and you will also have experience with electronics. If you are currently in university and have an Arduino module, then this course will definitely give you all of the experience required to do well.